But yung pong plano niyong to file a petition, calling it unconstitutional, basically, no, yung unprogrammed appropriations, ano ho ba yan? Sa tantamount to an
No,
impeachment complaint?
no,
It's not.
it's not.
Because? Because
Well,
hindi
it's
siya,
ano naman hindi naman ano naman eh. Actually, ang nakikita ko, kung may impeachable offense ang presidente, ay yung betrayal of public trust. Kasi for 3 years, pinabayaan niya yung budget natin na masalaula, na hindi siya kumibo. And that's tantamount to inexcusable gross negligence.
it's not even the 2026 budget anymore that you're talking about. It's the previous budgets prior to 2026. Yung pong sinasabing, allegedly laden with so much corruption.
Kasi tinatanong naman natin lagi kay Presidente, bakit 3 years? Kung 1 taon lang yan, baka napalusutan. Pero kung 3 taon, imposible para sa akin na hindi alam ng executive department yan.